whole wheat bread. For this bread, I will use combined flour between whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour, or you can use bread flour. The texture for the whole wheat bread is more hard and dry compared to the white bread. So I use combined with all-purpose flour because the texture will be softer and less dry. But you can use also 100% whole wheat flour, and the texture will be more harder and more dry. It depends on you, that's your choice. Okay, and we need also instant dry yeast, fresh milk, butter. I use salted butter. You can use unsalted butter also, sugar and salt. First you mix the flour. Instant dry yeast, salt and sugar, and you mix. Then you add milk gradually. You mix this until well combined. Can mix this with the hand also, and then you add butter. Mix this. And now we continue knead the dough. Sprinkle with little bit flour. Oops. And knead the dough here. You knead this dough about 20 minutes. Now you make like a ball. You sprinkle here with little bit flour. And close with the kitchen towel and let it rise for 1 hour. This is the first brewing. And after 1 hour, you see this, it's double, and punch the dough. Fold the dough. have to close this. I use the loaf pan 25 by 10 by 10 centimeter, and you transfer the dough here. Okay, and you cover with kitchen towel, let it rise for 30 minutes. This is the second proofing. Okay, already 30 minutes, and preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you bake this for 30 minutes. Okay, this is the whole wheat bread, and I will cut this to show you how soft and fluffy this bread. See this? So soft. Now I will try this bread. Smells good also. Soft and fluffy and delicious with the margarine. I love this. Try this at home, because homemade bread always better than you buy in the bakery. Trust me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give like, and leave your comment and share my video. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.